Welcome, guys. Welcome back to PFS Films. As you know, we are here with a brand new series in the War of Love or War for Love. One out I told them do. Alright, so here I know. I want to grab on the popcorn, on the juice, on the drink it, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell the next friend. And then on the run come back over here so I can watch, like, comment, share, subscribe. And guys, please stop leaving on the negative comments because we see them. Okay, and it's hurting our precious feelings. And guys, please remember to go over Kayla Films because she will be posting her movie maybe 1 or 2 days in our next 1 or 2 days. You do me? So no, just go over Kayla Films and remember to subscribe, like and comment and share up for our channel too. Guys, we make we try get her to 1K or 2K by end of the month. We can do that. Okay, if you no share, if you no share to that different and that different, the share we can reach. You see me? Alright, peace.
Mommy,
Yes, baby. What?
you know, I said I reach after age, right?
Mm-hmm.
I'm not gonna hide nothing from you.
Which is right.
So, I feel like that time for me go find one man to take care of my family.
Which man? I do a good enough job taking care of the family. You no need to think about man right now.
No, Mom, I'm rich at age now. I need a man, so I go find one who can take care of the family.
No, baby girl. You see, man, you have to get your independence first. Right now, I want you to look a job. I'm not saying nothing wrong with your feelings, you know. But right now, I want you to look at work, get your independence, have money in your own pockets.
Well, Mommy, I don't think I'm gonna look. I want to look job up now right now. I need a strong man in my life. And a man can't take me to eat that, Mama, because me have what they want. So they go and bow down. They go and bow down and go pan them me. Because I have what they want. And them are the girl call. Yeah. I need
Not
the money
right,
right now.
girl, but take it from me. Is one thing to learn from your mistake, is another thing to learn from somebody else's. Take it from me. You see, when you're an independent woman and you take up a little man, then if things go good, rock on. But you see, if things go sour, him can't rank with you because you have your own money. You not depend on him. If you want sweetie enough, you go say, can I get, you just go shop and get your own things.
Mommy, anytime the one they mash up and they go like, you know, give me up, me find another one. So look for me. You see me now? Look for me. Look for me what, Mommy. Me can't get any man I want. Don't do all the prime minister.
Me
Prime
not
minister, me
wrong,
can't
girl.
minister. You see me? Look for my body, Mommy. Any man I want, me can't get.
Where you come from, me, they must look good.
Yeah.
Of course you can get any man. Me
Any
not
man
say
I
you
want,
can't,
me
you know.
can't get.
Me not say you can't. Of course you can. Look on that body you come by.
Yes.
Look on you. You look good. Your heart good.
Yeah.
Everything. You have brain
Right.
and everything.
Yes.
Me just tell you to get your independence first before you look man. Do everything
Mommy.
in its time.
Mommy, me love you, no, Mommy.
I love you too.
But sometimes you not talk what me want to hear. So it best me go about my business. Me say me go find a man to take care of the family. You can't take care of the
Nobody
family.
get your man
Me
take
need,
care of me. Me not need.
look for the
Me not
house.
need.
Them are something I want to change down, Mommy. We need a man to do this. Man.
When time come, you
Man
pick up
must
the
spend money.
and hire a man and hire a man to do the work.
Man must spend money, Mommy. Money. And that thing there for. To work and bring money can't give we. So
You
me go
forget
look
your
one.
own independence. So
Mommy.
that me I tell you.
At that stage reach now, you know, because you have your own independence.
Yeah. Look a flat body girl. Huh.
So what?
Want to send me there, do I use your back door?
Oh yeah, alright.
Yeah, man, you.
Yeah, alright. Me I think about something from other day. Me I think say, I go look on work.
Where I look work for?
I mean,
I don't need to look no work.
me feel like me feel look on work.
Give me one good reason why you would I want work.
Because, remember say, yeah, do your thing, you know, but what if one day police running palm we?
No, man,
What we
pray
go
that,
tell the police them say the money a come from?
no, man, pray that man, we can pay them off, man. But, I like how you talk still.
Not every police style, so.
I like how you talk still, man. So,
So,
yo,
I think about it.
when you would I go look about to work?
I don't know. This time I go look out in the week, yeah. Because we can't make it thing so the police then go to wonder where we are get so much money from. I have no good explanation.
It depends on the type of work where you go look still.
That's true. I'm not even sure what kind of work we are going to look. And the type of money what we are make. What you are make.
Well, I have to do what I have to do, man, because I heard where you have free.
Yeah. Well, that's all. Oh God.
Riri girl,
What?
me there here.
Rina?
Call on me come up the hill of short. Riri.
Never hear.
Morning.
Me and my babes is there now talk.
Oh, so what?
I don't know, send me there.
Oh, you know, say my sister me come go look for me say, might as well me tap and check you.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Anyways, I didn't road, me say me did I go walk up and say, me walk up on the road or what.
No man, you can go on and come. You catch me here. If you not catch me here, you say me gonna look for my sister.
Alright then. Then
Yeah.
you go up on the road and come back.
Alright. Hurry up, you know.
Yeah.
So what?
No, somebody I do I want easy back.
Oh, so no could do.
Yeah, man.
Well, me I come go look for my sister, but me did want to tell her say, you have a secret admirer, but me not gonna tell you who. So just go and think about it. One nice little secret admirer later.
Alright. I wonder who that know.
Why? No, I can't find it.
Oh boy. Yeah. Yes, Lord. Tomorrow morning is another morning again.
Hello?
Hello?
You don't know nobody. I won't want nobody to come. I don't want to work out.
I mean, I run out of place, man. Yeah, man. I mean, I run out of place.
You don't want nobody if you
You
come.
know, say, to tell you the truth, me already put my daughter them funny to come in tomorrow morning. You know.
God.
Yeah, man.
Mother love if you could have helped me, oh man, because...
You don't want no work neither. You don't see where you man. Long hairstyle, you hot girl, you don't need no work.
No, my boyfriend do me hairstyle and true me want look work on the side because my want can bring me things on the table as well.
I would have wished some young girl could have think like you. God know. The rest them all them think about is man.
Yeah,
And depend on man money. For no reason. As a young girl, I respect you. Me just a come from Kayla mama yard, you know.
Who?
And me walk up in one Shanice and the two of them style me, you know.
Who? They do a Kayla and Shanice?
And me daughter them, but them a separate
I'm
mama.
a friend them. From we used to go to school together.
I have friend them?
Yeah. You can't squeeze me in for the work, man.
I just say me yesterday, man. Alright, you check me 9 o'clock. If none of them don't come tomorrow, make you get the work. But then kill it and then walk list. All the other one talk about is people, man.
Yeah.
Yes, boy, you want people, man, and this and that.
Well,
Me don't want people like a them there. If you can't go run. And you know, the worst part, it will hot me. When they tell me work list, I mean, I know nothing. Half of me hard working money go in investing at them.
anyways.
Pay for them college. Check me back 9 o'clock if you really want to work.
I want more to work, man, cause I know my partner wants to carrying things on the table. If I can do something for myself too.
Yeah, you see.
Independent is
I'm
the key.
always a customer to the young girl, you don't want nothing in her life. No, me, I go take back my word.
And every young girl don't want nothing out of life.
Right, me take back my word.
Alright.
You prove me wrong.
Yes.
I'm like that.
Right.
So keep it up. Now follow them. So remember, 9 o'clock.
tomorrow.
If you don't know what about, we will give you what. They just carry the bucket them. That's all they are doing. You know. They just carry the empty bucket them and put them down and then take up the full one. So I will see you later.
Alright then.
Yeah, man.
Big up
Bye-bye.
yourself.
Well, I look fine.
Girl, look how long me a wait for it take so long.
Girl, me did stop somewhere. What happened?
Not at all.
So where you come from now?
To the yard. You know what? You know what? Mommy, she tell me, say, no.
What should I tell you, say?
For me, if I go look for work. I don't work me one.
How you want?
I just want a man who put food on the table. That's all, and they provide for me.
Mama, that not gonna
Me
come
don't
so
want a
easy.
man.
Well, you must know you want stirs and stirs. Me have one crush for one man, but him taken. You know, like me, I go get him anytime soon. Cause I don't like him as a girl, then I like, but he have money.
So me girl, you're young and you're fresh. You say young and fresh?
And what happened?
Go get a man for yourself.
Sharing is caring.
No,
You never hear the
no.
blind man sing it. It's like, you never
You see, I know.
understand.
Listen to me. You see, I know. You go pick up a man. You have a woman. The woman will go kill you and beat you. I want to something can't you know, man kill you and one bag of something, you know.
You mean the woman analyze me? Yeah. So what you there for do?
I never seen you go take no man, you know.
So wait, when the woman analyze me, what you are gonna do?
Me not do nothing. Probably I need to get the man so if he have money.
No, you're gone to the soul. You're very and truly wicked.
No.
But girl, still, you might have enough money. There's a girl that can't do nothing. The girl that little girl in the class will beat me.
Listen to me. That's what you do. Get a man for yourself. Get a
Mama,
man
no
for
man
yourself.
not there I suffer myself. And see every man have a woman. You blind?
Well, anyways, the only way I date one man, we have a woman, is if he have money.
And that's the thing, the man
What
have
if a
money.
money? You know why? Because if me dey have my man for myself, the other girl would have take him. So, me dey go take people man too.
Girl, he have money. I'm say money, me mean money. Me not talk no jump change, no 100,000, no.
But that's not for you.
Money.
But that's not for you.
For
You're
you.
young and you're fresh, and if you go find a man for yourself,
You're young and
like
you're fresh
that.
if you go find a work.
me don't need no work.
Me not need no man for
Me
myself.
just need a man for myself.
Well, you want one for yourself, me want people, man.
What go on, sir? Why good to see me two daughters them stand up here, so to make me proud as a father. Salute to myself. Never feel.
If you did that man with then you could have said salute to yourself.
So when me ask you a question, the amount of money when me give your mother if you go to school, you pay for your subject, no matter how you think you have subject.
This be,
How you think you have subject?
You never pay for maths, English, nor social. No good on a part program. Please go beg them to put up on part. Even when you never need to go on part, for part, pay for 3 subjects.
You know so much I don't know how to eat enough.
2 are we?
Yeah.
2 are we? And you did have to
And
run
I
go
wanna
beg the
me.
people them.
2 are uno, and I want me, and I want how no mother eat.
And every day you work.
Anyway, I know that me come to tell you, I up a few mother yard, me come first, then we don't have fear yard. We get some work for you.
For who?
Yeah, man. One house I build up the road. And we can,
Construction work.
I
Yeah.
must do it, daddy.
we can,
Look on you and look on me. You work all the day in your life and you not have nothing. Me never work yet and I have more than what you have. The only thing you have is an iPhone. Me not think you look the work there for you. Go take care of yourself.
Me don't want to work, daddy. Me not coming like you. You see, you know, you work, you don't have nothing. You don't have a car. You don't got nothing for yourself.
Not even a bike.
No, look where you come out here, ha?
Not even a bike you can have. Look how bike cheap.
so that's not what.
You have phone.
Uno make me not have nothing, you know.
So you have iPhone.
Uno, me work for. Me never did work for myself. Uno.
Never ask if it work for me.
Fool to get 2 uno.
Therefore, me never tell you push me out of your back.
You should have let me
Ah?
see.
Out of her back.
Up in your back.
Me never push you out of my back.
Where
Your
friends
mother
come from?
take it from out of me in a she. This one me I tell you
That's
now.
my problem.
Uno make me not have nothing, you know. Uno pick me ungrateful. And that's why me I go for fear mama, you know.
Daddy, me tell you
Ungrateful
this.
dog, you're dirty podo.
Me not supposed to argue with you, you know, cause me not time to you right now. Me big, you know, rich of age. Me don't want to work, me just need a man who they provide and the argument done.
And that's how life go.
How we got in?
You can't want easy done.
Oh.
When you get easy done, you know, properly done.
Oh.
You wait, me can go to school. I hear when you come tell your daddy. Say, you want a man.
Yes.
That is disgrace.
Me no business. And that God put them on earth for work and bring the money come give we.
Therefore, we never did a figure school, cause they not sell man subject.
And that we did one.
You want that they will be out.
No, daddy.
Check yourself.
God
first.
no. Because me don't know. You no want nothing in life. What you want?
People man have money.
Yeah. It seems like we're going to work hard enough if buy 2 castic put on. Because you won't have
You must
plan
have
for
buy
people,
one for
man.
you and one for Kayla, mama, cause I can't for me.
Listen me. Take up something to do. Nobody talk about no man right now. You're not ready for that yet.
Daddy, yes, it's something I take off to do. Yes, if you have a man, I have to keep a man.
It come with
I
responsibilities.
whole heap of work that. I whole heap of work that. And that's something I take up, man.
Look at Mystical. There's so much work, she have to work and twerk. I work, that's you know, so when she done sweat a drip off of she body.
What a mystical.
Lord, get it too old.
You have
and
phone
nothing.
and you know what to do with it.
Wait till me leave my phone. Make money. Call.
and beg.
Work. Yeah, you have to call and after work and beg.
Alright, I see this now when I have people, man. Me just put on little tights and look sexy and just stretch out my hand. I don't need for beg now, look how we're.
And that your mother used to do me, you know.
That's how you breathe, I know.
I hate when she reach.
What she reach?
Later, Daddy, later.
Don't move it. Let her talk to you.
What you answer, Daddy?
I open your mother, me never a matter of fact. This is the final one in me, I go, it wow. You see, if you don't,
Listen to me, up a fear, man, I go on. You don't need me then, me gone.
Big problem.
don't follow that. You hear me say? That's why I don't want this stay with your mother too long. Because one I move,
Listen to me.
I'm still minor, right?
Listen to me, Daddy. I'm gonna follow back and me lead out. And me say I want a man. And the Prime Minister me so want. Cause I can get the Prime Minister.
Look at the Prime Minister look on you.
Look for me, Daddy.
What?
You don't believe in your daughter? If I get the Prime Minister, you know, you're alright, you have to work again, you know.
You see, when it comes to my daughter, if you admire my daughter, lampshade, me I look on. Lampshade, me not I admire my pitney. The Prime Minister as well, now go see Unu.
Shut up, Akuman. Shut up, Akuman.
Go on, you're
Sure.
right.
So, well, don't know say. Me get one work.
That good. Great.
Yeah.
But what kind of work you get?
Start work.
Site work. You must be mad. Where be a man there?
No man not gonna do that.
How you mean I be a man up on site?
No.
You come like you're crazy.
No man not gonna do there.
So how you mean no man not there? How you know that?
The man say I and daughter them are go there pan the work.
You sure about that?
Yes.
No woman alone now up on the site.
No man not gonna do that for true.
You better go look on next work. You come like this.
I that they know that they work there better work. And that would have look like say money I come from because I must say side work.
Look
pay
girl, you
no money.
have sense. Site work no pay.
Side work
No money
pay.
not on that. You think you call it on 5 grand or 6 grand and you have money that?
We can't tell the police they must say I save the money.
How long? How long you take if you save? By the time you pay your taxi fare out of that and have lunch out of that
I'm
done.
right down the road there, so.
Come on, carry here. You better go look on next work.
What kind of other work am I going to look?
Look on decent work. Comfortable work when they pay you. Side work can't pay you.
I'm going to lie now. I can't bother.
Backside. You know what is I'm going to pick up on myself? Equal. Oh, Jaja.
Yes.
Mommy better talk to the man, you know.
You mean
You
your
better talk to the
father?
man, yeah.
You mean your father?
Talk to him. Because I can't tell him about me can't have no man. Tell him which age of consent.
So that's
I
it.
can have a man.
So what wrong with him telling you for hold on? Me never tell you the same thing. So what wrong with that?
And that's why he told him to make it in a life. And that's why.
Okay. So, you're going to tell me now make it in a life. You're ungrateful. You ungrateful enough.
I'm grateful.
I've me slave myself.
Mm-hmm.
For you, no. For you, your mother and your sister and your mother. Me admit that, yeah, me shouldn't take up 2 women one time. But at them job me to come out and have the scale balance.
And at that you are run down.
Or me still stand up in our life. You want a man to stand like me? Take up you and other woman?
Listen to me.
Huh? Answer me.
Answer you say what?
You want a man take up you and other woman just like how me take up your mother and other woman?
No man can't do me that. And that's why the man don't get me full attention. It's a full-time work.
Me tell her, you know.
You know, reason
Me tell her, hey.
Mommy, listen to me, mommy, I have to talk to daddy. He man sitting up here and talk to my sister. And you can't tell me about construction work. Look at my good modeling body. Look at
That
me,
is
mommy.
what is wrong
You
with
should
young
have got
people in this
construction
world now. What wrong with that? You get a job.
Yeah.
Get
Two of
young
them.
idiot. Look how much people out there want work and can't find work. I true you spoil, we spoil them, you know.
Who?
We spoil
Not
them.
your we.
Them don't know nothing but when we try to grow them up for the duties, you tell me, no, them too little.
No, then
them
it's-
too little and cute.
No, then
if you walk street, them hold my hand, the princess them hand. Huh? When me I try raise them
Yeah.
for
Then
work
the
on the
them
yard
young,
and
they
no.
never understand fly this.
See now?
Because
So them grow now with the
She look at the
mindset.
cockroach and say a butterfly, then the time that she never understand life. But no, she,
And I said, me look upon you and call you daddy. Me name if I call you daddy, I mistake me can call you daddy.
Know yourself, you know.
Yes, yes,
Know
yes.
yourself, you know.
Half of me
And still,
slave
your
myself.
father, you know. You and him and the no size, you know.
what-
Know
what hurt
yourself.
Me? You know what hurt me? When they told them all upon me, say me not own nothing in a life.
But you don't own nothing.
I don't judge me hot. When me pay 2,500 for.
Well, still.
I said me not
Still.
have no bike. You know me feel embarrassed.
You will feel embarrassed.
Oh God, you feel
You don't own
embarrassed for
nothing.
true. No bike, and that you worry about.
Oh,
You should have you should have more ambition. Sure, you them get it from. Cause the two of them have ambition.
Mommy, you don't
Only
have
one of my
ambition.
pick me and the two of them.
You don't ambition. Cause look where you pick up.
So
And you have one other woman.
I mean, I tell you, say learn from my mistake. You're running at it same way.
so sorry. So, yeah, that's why they might call me no ambition. And you make them do it. You know, tell them to everyone on my peer go to eat 2 hours.
Them know that.
Me no gin grum.
Them know that.
No,
But they
them
still
graduate.
need mother and father in the home, not father out the street or doing thing.
No.
And then come, yes,
Me
you
balance
support.
myself.
You support,
Me
yes.
balance
But
myself.
you
If
think
me go
that,
for your sister yard for 2 hours, me come here so me spend a 2 hours. Me make sure me not sleep and none on the yard. Because me don't want
and
none
an
on the
idiot you want to, man, you want to run down like that. Go get a job. Your father gets your work is one good thing you do. You feel look up and say thank you.
Me no want no work. I mean, I look up on him and say thank you, kind of better than me. Me have more than
You
him.
get a job,
You have
him
more
gets
than
you a
me.
job.
Show me $50 in your pocket.
And that.
Show me $50 in
that.
your pocket.
Give me $50, mommy.
Me look like man to you.
So me try to show you. Wait till me go to school or wait for money.
Hello, me tell a family
The
in
one
9th grade, you know,
bench.
say I want to stop going to school because they never have man subject in a school.
God, I saw your crutch
So
at
then
you.
when me tell you anything, say I junk me the junk. I junk me that make him think say me understand
I never
them.
did prank.
No, it's prank. Me that say a prank, me can come like you want lick me down.
You see, me didn't know so I saw shit the orange, me stop him from 9 grade to 2. I
Yes,
wouldn't
see,
even
if you did there instead of balance the thing, you would have know you picked them.
as long as me have send money, I mean, at their
You think
life.
say money is it? Them need foundation. Them
Them
need guidance.
No need there for eat, come here, look, eat right, I'm hungry.
Yeah,
My
but
stomach
that one
hurt
man.
up.
And he can buy
When
food.
you get a job and you're
what you there for?
independent, all the independent ladies, you have to be independent. So that makes
Mommy,
sense.
you independent and you don't have nothing. You want to come like the rubbish
Me
you found
have
yourself.
my pride. See my front door there. See my little horse, my little house
I
there.
tell you, know, and I'm going to warn you, know. Try and make sure she knows that me build this life in you. And me will take out her backside, put her road because she done with school, you know. Right. So me have already put out her backside.
From Shirenk, yes, me not disagree with that.
Oh,
Because she a come with some chat me not like.
do not again. I beg you. Do not again allow this piece of nasty piece of shit chat to me, so. Me feel embarrassed.
Well, you can't discipline her. Everything on me.
If
Me for real,
If me
sir.
discipline her at 2 fists in her mouth.
You can't discipline without lick them. You talk to her. When last you talk to your picnic heart to heart? You chat at her. You not talk to her.
No,
talk
listen.
to your picnic and
They
listen.
go as far as secure 2 jobs for them. Two space in the construction.
good.
What hard in that? Why them a young girl that just only want to get up and chat to man and think say going to one man pocket is easy.
Sure.
It come with consequence.
Of course.
Look how much woman on the news right now. with them and them man in a domestic violence.
That's true.
Who no
And them
lose
a run
teeth,
down
lose
man
neck,
and money.
lose hand, lose foot because of money. We too greedy at that today. That's why somehow we man stray and go on the other side. Because of that. Money is the root of, no, as a matter of fact, I don't blame money neither. Because money can't be the root of all evil. The money is greed.
Yes, man. Come
Once
on,
you
smash
love
with
the
it.
money, you will do anything.
And then they realize that the more them a run it down, the more it a run from them, you know. They
That is the
can't
thing.
talk to them. So if you can't hear, them a go feel.
And when them feel
Who
the
them a go
pressure.
run to?
I mean, if he dead tomorrow, you know, I mean, I don't call for bury him, you know.
Nobody call that down, yeah, sir.
No, I read
call
him.
that.
May I tell you the truth? I mean, I got to tell you the truth, you know. I swear to the Almighty. I read my child dead down in kind of embarrassment and shame for me.
Nobody call, come on, man, nobody call that down. Now you have to talk who is. Call down that pan who for picnic.
You don't understand?
Yes, you start talk sense and then you're gone in a foolishness.
You don't like
Mind your words,
You don't
man.
like your picnic pepper roll with 5 picnic macaroni and and him a walk with pan and bakes. You don't like that?
Me
No.
never say me would have liked that, but stop calling on that
Embarrassing.
picnic.
You don't like your picnic coming come tell us, mommy, man breed me and run off. You don't like that. And me and you are going to feel the pressure see because you can't feel yourself in the one walk. You understand? Bam! You don't like him coming and say, mommy, boy, me get HIV. You don't like that? No.
Sometimes you can't talk to you and sometimes you're gone too deep, you know.
That with
When
you,
you
woman,
call
no.
down them, they
that with
crosses from a picnic for.
That with you. I feel like you want to try to follow your footstep a little. Because I did have that same attitude one time, you know. Remember, you know, when we didn't know it in time, you know. We used to drink and we meet at the bar. And I make it too bad wine them. We stop go a bar. Then after a while, when they curse me.
Man weak. You make your little head think for your big head. That's a man problem.
No,
And
they
the
don't play.
little head think for the big head.
No worry, me going to take you back tomorrow.
You
But
know.
anyway,
Thank you for the word. Me try talk to her.
Talk
me
to her,
talk
no.
sense to her.
okay.
Tell them, say, me I go get her for phone them in the morning. Send me the number.
First thing, 9 o'clock tomorrow, make sure I say, she's up on the site. Now go to the next one, Mama.
Me don't wanna, see, you're really idiot, you know. Now come here and tell me about you go to next woman. Go on, go about your business, man.
So what wrong with it? I try to live like Africa.
Go about your business.
More
Me no
man, you
wanna,
have 4 more wives.
me no, you can't mind one. Go about your business. I come tell
Me
me, say,
send them
me
to
I got
school,
to
no?
there. Go about your
Me
business.
give
All
them
right, you get
subject.
them the job. You get them the
And
job.
me
Go
get
on
them
now,
job.
man. Go on now, man. You
okay.
have to make people hungry for you, man. Sure.
All right. Later.
You know, just for work.
Mommy. Work.
Your father not tell you come yesterday and tell you say 9 o'clock if you go down to the building site. You know, dress for work. You can't go building site dress so. You have to have on steel toe shoes and everything. A building site you go. And as a matter of fact, you're
Oh,
nearly
yeah,
late. Girl, you're late for work.
Mommy, look for me. Me now go, me no want them the dirty work there. And man, me say me no want to work. How much time I want to tell you that what happened to your ears then you not work?
You're not find work until you get a man.
Look.
Where man there? What man at that construction site? Man there construction site like a whoa. You want a man but you don't want to go where man there.
Mommy, why me must work and Shanice not working? Why must I work? She not work, me not for work. Why me must work?
The business with Shanice. Shanice have her mother and her mother is, me no know, her mother is worthless and bad influence.
Stop tell
Don't
lie.
follow Shanice here.
Stop tell lie, mommy.
Me response for you.
You know why you think that? I told daddy love her mother more than you, so you feel
Me no
offended.
business with that. I me
You
don't want to
feel
talk about
offended.
your sister.
You see how a while ago, you push up your chest high, you don't want to look down.
When me feel look down, I forward, and that me teach you.
Well, mommy, me
You
don't
look
talk.
forward, not down and round. You're looking forward. You know where you're coming from and you know where you're going.
Mommy, me don't talk.
You have to go work. Look, give us in the mouth, you know. Look how much people out there want work and can't find none. And are stressed out. You get job landing on your lap, so. Huh?
Why you take work and give them?
Sometimes I wonder if you a smoke or a drink or what. Because you get job landing on your lap, so. And you don't want it. You want man. And your father gets you a job where man they plenty. Me no want go this. You know what you want, little girl? You know what you really want out of life? What you really want out of life?
Want a man flying in my lap.
You know want that. Because your father send you work with man there, and you don't want to go.
Me don't want no work. Me don't want no work. Me don't want a dirty man. Then the man they work for too much. Blah.
You young people and not think with in the head, you know. And not think with in the head.
Anyways, I wake up, and I brush my teeth and my beard, and I the road me I go up and go hunt for a man.
I work you for hunt
No,
for.
further did you?
Why you don't
Man.
get a job where man them there?
A man
like
no
the
want.
one your father
No.
get you. You get the two in a one.
No.
You'll have you hear me out. You'll have your little change, you'll have your money, you'll build up your career, you'll build up your independence. Caleb wants you to be independent. So no man, no woman, nobody can treat you low way.
Every time you talk about independence, me ask that question, you independent?
Yes. No man can come here, sir, and tell me no faults.
Mommy, I don't want to be independent. Because if I so independent look, I don't want it. You understand? If I so independent look, I do not want to look at this. You live in a board house.
Me live
you
in a
don't
house.
got a money. You don't got nothing.
How you
have
think
sit down
you
and
raised
building
to this
black.
big and have such a beautiful body?
Hello, mommy.
Eh?
You see my body?
I ear do it.
You see my body? And then you give it to me.
No.
You will never give my body to me.
Me never cook you in yourself for 9 months and push you out
And then
and
next
rear you and care for you when you're sick of me, right? No.
And
Me never do nothing. Me never invest nothing in you. Nothing.
Answer to me. Me know say your and daddy work hard for the construction site and send me to school. But me not think them they work there for me. But thank you if you go work pandy. Me think if you go work pandy again and get a better house.
Little girl. Come on to my side.
Thank
Come
you very
on,
much.
rise
Thank you
right
very
now.
much.
Wrinkle face to Jesus.
Yeah, read. What time?
I don't know, you know.
So, it past 9 o'clock now.
Probably. Oh.
You really gonna make up on the walk?
You really come back with that stupid thing that
Me did really want to go on the work, you know.
why you really so excited and determined to go up on the walk? Where a beer man, you know, say, come on, I can't trust you though.
Me did want a little more.
What, 6,000 7 grand?
I don't understand, you know. Me I protect you from the police and I get it in your brain.
Yeah.
Me sorry, so me tell you say I say what me did that go up. Me should tell you say I don't want to China, me they go walk.
But that's even worse. The money don't depend them know what they have to go hotel go up.
Then I hire nobody right now. We can't believe you. And the man see me as an ambitious girl, you know. The man see me as a very ambitious person. The man say, you think better than the young people here. And you don't really make me go up on the walk. We can't believe
Why?
it.
You're determined, bad.
And I'm determined.
You really want to go up, you really feel allow you to go up on side talk.
What wrong with it?
You know all 10 man up on side talk out.
No man not did it.
You can't tell me that, you know.
Me not go for look, man. And my money me I go look.
But me know on business whether money go for look or whether money they go for make. Me choose that and decide that for myself. And you are going to choose or decide for yourself. And me choose and decide that if me want to hurt this or this. You know what? Go to the door, free me man for 5 minutes and one car. You know what I tell me say?
Can't believe you really make me go on you. And the man I look at me and say me ambitious young girl, you know.
Girl, I look so vex up. What am I here now? I'm chill.
I want to walk. Me get her. Me need to go on the walk. And my boyfriend don't make me go.
And then site work with Paul agree up there, so. So what you want to go on site work go do with 100 man?
You know man not dey on the sidewalk.
Them woman, I no pay woman there on site work.
Yeah, but film start to be a woman.
Me know the site. Me papa did want me go up there go work. I pay a man up there. No, sir. I bunny want to give the boy already.
No, me not give no.
So we are gonna say talk to the girl. You know how much man take piece of side talk? You know how much sex give we a side talk? I could have never bought a plan to give the boy already.
Girl, me not give boy no one.
So we are gonna say talk to do? You broke? You hungry?
No.
The boy not feed you. What you want? The short of pad?
No.
You short of tongue pad?
Girl, me not
You want pants liner? So what you want to say to go do the 100 man?
You see, same thing when I tell about after out the door me time from and hear a friend. I tell them about the same thing I'm just want about. Me agree with she, you know.
Alright.
But she a chat a
You
facts, you
must in
know.
a business you agree with her. I mean if you agree with.
You have to agree, man, if you agree with if you go and work with 100 man. And then when you come back, you're right, instead of dirty.
Girl, me not go raw.
You could have fooled me.
And I see what I mean I go.
Me I come about my business. You know how much man up there so we will release the aisle? Eh?
Well,
You know how much man up there so we can live 5 black one time?
Right.
Them want release. That's why the man look woman pick up they go walk. And then man then go to talk say, oh no have to do no what then can go no and 10 grand instead of the 5 grand. You want to lift bucket for 5 grand if you have a menke.
And a friend will make more sense now. Look into why your friend and tell us how me and tell us say. You don't need fear go at them. Look how much other else work out there. And one more can choose.
I want me could have get at the moment.
Try see if you can look on next work. Who will you work out there?
So, I'm afraid of mine. I'll go walk.
Don't do that afraid of mine. Good thing that.
What's your girl? Me think I gonna work.
Are you me think gonna work?
Yeah, idiot. You come like say you and daddy mad, you know. I now go work for him. Me no want no work.
Well, you feel more likely go with him than me because you are him favorites. But
No.
anyways,
I don't want to work. As I said before, I don't work. Me want a man. Me want.
Oh, you
I
want
don't
a
work.
personal man, you gonna get born.
Yes.
You want people man.
I'm sorry. Me not get no bun.
Yeah, I gonna get born.
I'm not going to get any bun.
Alright.
But anyways, girl, come here.
What happened?
Me have a plan for daddy. Cause me know I have money. But I make him go and work up the money and work and pile up the money. Me don't need to go work for him. Me just need to work for himself and pile up the money. And we're gonna make your call daddy.
Oh, come and think, you did think when him pile up the money, him that go just issue it out
No.
for you.
We go make up and plan and we'll call daddy and tell them say people them kidnap me. And if you pay one ransom.
How much may I get out of you?
Hello. 50-50.
No.
Oh. Well, me start
Remember,
then.
the people them will call you have to pay them too.
Hello. Remember say me I get kidnapped.
60, 20, and 20 for the person.
No.
Call it.
Well, the business and I go work. Because you feel like you're smarter than me.
Yeah, plan to go work somewhere else.
Yes, climb up and find somebody else.
50-50.
Right.
So who are gonna pay the man?
I never tell us I want no man.
So who go do the call?
Hello, you say you have one man for yourself, right? Look.
No, me never tell them you have no man for myself.
Okay, you say you have people, man.
I mean, I haven't fully yet.
Make the people, man, them just say hello, or you change for price. Use AI. You have an iPhone, use AI. Me no have no money for pay nobody. Use AI.
Alright, I use AI. How about after?
What after? You tell them so they kid them and they have to pay one ransom and talk about big money. No, little money. High money we want. Millions.
We get the big money where we gonna keep it.
Girl, I gone, me gone.
Oh, yeah, please.
I gone, me. Girl, if you have the money, you can't go on with your people, man. When I get my money, I go with my man alone. Anytime I find him, I gone, left daddy and mommy.
Who can pray you find that? Me I go catch up my ear and something.
Okay, come on, girl, we follow you.
And then me come down here.
Alright, come on.
Can't believe it. God knows me can't believe it. Can't believe it. We can't believe this. From morning.
She still not come.
Huh?
She still not turn up.
And you know what I want. You know how long me I look for them. If one girl come there yesterday, you know, along here, one, you know, he look like he hot like a 10 fireside. I can't tell me, say, want to work. I mean, she turn up, every one of the young girls is the same.
Yeah, young people, them don't know them born. And that me tell her this morning, you know. You want to see how she come out to the house with pants shorts, so, and where you they come from?
One did there, from morning, I look for up on the site. You let me down.
So you know there, girl.
Where am I diagram?
So we let you down. We never know how we
Me
want
no
you
mean
up.
physically down on the ground and let me down.
So we did roll you up.
You know want to walk?
Me tell you already.
Daddy, look for me, boy. How me if you lift up bucket? Me go ask somebody who can lift up bucket.
Empty
Me no
bucket.
want no can in my hand. Come on, me a rub down the boy, you know, say me hand a cut up and me reach down and cucumber. Me no want to say me hand a cut up in cucumber, you know, so me not lift up nothing.
You hear what come out her
No,
mouth?
you hear what come out of here, because I don't have to back sit down.
So daddy, how we do over here?
Yeah.
I mean, baby mother too.
So you never come over here from man over here. So.
Because me I work, I'm a beard off, and I go somewhere go deal with and work for 2 days, so me can buy myself a nice things, because I don't say, me no own nothing. That's it what I'm saying.
Well,
me no own nothing off of my mind, you know. Send you to school, clothe you, feed you know.
Well, me I tell you this now. Me no want no work, and the people man me say, and the people man me want.
No girl, you say people man, me say my man.
Yes, people man me
So-
want, and she wants somebody for herself. But she not gonna ever find that, because look on you. You did not give me bun, you know. So which part she gonna find a man who better than you? Me I rock it with people, man.
No girl, man not the better than
Hello.
Hello.
Workless.
You never going to find a man like me, because guess why? Then the man that have exist.
Daddy,
No man on this earth will left now. No man no pick me, you know.
daddy.
They will never tell us say we are gonna breed.
Oh, this is a mega breed.
Well, no man on this earth now gonna loyal to you, you know.
I mean, no one a man like you.
Because Uno is just like the garbage truck.
And you was just like the rubbish heap round the back.
I remember say your father you talk to, you know.
No, say nothing, man.
You and we are no
say nothing, 'cause you see
size.
that out there, when I put him backside, what I do, you know. Any man shall take up
So
better
glad
can-
you can't put me out, sir.
Hey, hello.
Hello.
The 2 room down there, maybe like your
think
But
woman.
the thing is, when you take me out of it, me go find a man yard and go.
And that is the
And
thing
you
wanna go
accept
wrong
it
now.
out and can't
Yes.
put me nowhere
When
out.
you find a
So you
man,
that make your man put out your picnic.
You can talk to your papa, so you know, me is a big woman to you. Address your tone and
But
address
you
your
let
words.
man put out your child while you still under a roof and you picnic out the door. You would be a careless mother.
Control your picnic, you know. I mean, not even address that.
them, as me say, them reach adult stage. It's not my picnic no more, you know. Me wipe them off of my will.
Because she a rub
So
off
we are
and
look
for
to
me
work here
picnic.
and give it for.
Because me want to have ambition, no
Daddy.
ambition.
Come here, me hold your hand. Come here.
No,
Where say
no,
where what?
off of my will.
No, they don't have no home. What me all get?
Me and the house.
Couple board.
No, daddy. Just also want to fix up properly. Me no want
Nobody
that.
leave them nothing. Better you give it to me, give it to charity, give it to something who,
Daddy don't have nothing for left.
who
The only thing
deserve
that you left
it.
behind is you.
He not leave me behind,
I saw your father, you have all person we expect to come better. You come like you come worse.
And she a lead, she a
And the
stray.
one blood. You don't think me I got mix? So we are
You
trying
don't
to
have
say the
to
thing
be
she
blood.
a jacket. See they expect me to grow good.
Me never say no jacket, you know.
Oh.
Then what you are trying to tell we say then?
Me think say you, you, they come better than she.
So she and a fear
Hey,
blood.
so everything I come
You
out to
two
the
are-
light.
no.
No, you put
Eh.
down for we picnic.
She and a fear blood.
Who?
You put down
She.
for we picnic.
So why me could come to nothing good in life?
Exactly.
Huh?
Why we couldn't come to nothing
Exactly.
in life?
Everything I come
And
to
my
light
sister
now.
listen up. So if me a sell, she have to come sell with
No,
me.
my picnic not sell nothing.
Well,
You
you
and
shake
your
your
mother
head,
don't touch my
Yeah,
picnic.
she has
Oh.
to come sell with you.
You and
Me
your
not
mother
speak to you
can.
right
You
now,
and your mother can do what you and your
Listen to
mother
me,
want.
Listen to me, good.
And the brother bring down my
Me
picnic
think
when you get.
me that go come better too. But when she start calling you for me,
And that's your follow. And that's your
How
follow.
your mother call that?
And that's your follow.
Listen, that. You're very common. I'll tell you why you're very common. Even when we are right, we have to use the that. So anybody call it that, you say thanks. because they have you.
Yes, and you can't finish a sentence without that.
Right. Anyway,
That finished
Ginger
long
Fly,
time.
may I talk to you now? You see, like how you don't want no work. Find all the man them you can. Sell them your
One
body.
man me want and a one man me I go get.
Any day and day I send to the man take no up. I shall shake that man
And any
hand.
day and day me breed me carry come put it on you.
Nobody follow she with them the idea.
Any day and day
Anyhow
me
you
breed.
breed that you look out
Girl
straight.
come.
Yeah, run.
Look at me, yes. But you're
No,
bad,
no,
you're
no.
bad breed daughter, rub off for me picnic, you know.
It was-
Control your picnic.
Yeah,
Don't
but-
make me have to
listen.
go. Don't make me have to go to our mother house and control
Listen, no,
can
no.
our picnic. Can rub up on my
Alright,
picnic.
yeah.
They come in my yard and come rank with me, you know.
Alright, yeah.
Oh.
Everybody I go feel, you know. I go for 2 days. Let me see all the 2 hours I go survive with food in this place. Yeah.
Go away which part? Which part? Go
Me have
away.
a bad man business go fix up myself. You know what I'm
Anywhere
saying?
you are, go me there with you.
Alright, you can there.
Anywhere you go, for bringing next picnic pan come rank with me in my yard.
I think
Come bring
when the
it.
yard is here. I'll let you hit, you know.
Hey!
I'll let
Hey!
you hit.
How old Caleb be? Not big enough woman for say she want a man. You
It don't
follow
matter.
the law.
It don't
More
matter.
than 5 years, come on our ring. Half of everything. Kiss it. So like I said, anywhere you there, me there with you
Take
like
it, take
clothes
it.
in a back.
Take it land. Take it land.
Take everything. Well, gone for 2 days. You better come back by 4 o'clock.
Bro, we lick a kid now that he ever want to lick me. What make you? No man, he love licking us.
Let me tell you.
What?
Money, you see him dress up. Yeah, daddy dress up.
I work
Money.
in St. Pan.
Money work. You see him dress up.
Oh God, me tired. No man.
So now we have to go.
So where they? I just up your call that? Oh.
I said, question.
So we call in regular days then.
I don't know. Daddy don't understand. Daddy don't know for general. As me, I say, girl, daddy gone for the money work.
So what happen?
So now daddy not go there here.
I could never the plan where you will talk about this man and you have things to do so quick.
No, me not do it so quick.
Oh.
Daddy not there now.
So
So have nobody in my mind, in my head that tell me say, Pete, me want
your mother got tell us if you look work. Me
Mommy
surprised
left
she
me
just
yard.
still a go market.
Mommy do not left the yard anymore. No, me get to go up the big road. Or which the one bag of man them there. Daddy want up there to turn me back again. Cause every time I go up there, he turn me back. I mean, I get to find a man, so me go and find a man now.
Well,
The man them gonna come
yeah,
over
you
here.
don't go the big road, you know. My man is people man, and me eyes them now come off of him. I him me want to him me I go get.
I hope so nobody no kick your foot and take the man.
My man never
The man
did not
want
kick
you?
my foot. Me never explain that to the man. Me never ask the man that.
So I'm not saying now. So all you get to get the man yard every day.
No worry your head. No worry your head. My secret is my secret. Your secret is your secret. Anyways, me I come got my yard now. Cause my mama must have wonder where I'm there. Bye bye.
I want to find a friend man in my case. Like I was taking friend man in him. I'm taking friend man. Hello.
Hi, what's up?
Is that how your name?
Tibi didn't call me, you know.
Oh, my name is Taylor.
Nice to meet you, Taylor.
So, you come from that area, around that area?
That's alright, up here, there's something to do.
Yeah. So first me I see you.
First, me and see you too. Where you live?
I live up on Miss Patsy. Cross the road. So I'm asking a question. When I go around the bushes, I come around the car and I get straight to the pine. And you have no woman in a relationship?
Boy, I don't see me no one do, but I come out tight. Come woman and cheat for me.
Yeah. So I meant to say me a right one and come in a cheat.
Yeah,
Me you can't talk.
Boy, that thing woman did say before he start cheat, you know.
Alright, me tell you what to do then. It's like how we just meet, we're not gonna rush into it. We're gonna text and something, so we're gonna exchange number, you put your number on my phone right so. And then we reach home, we just text and get to know each other. Understand? Thanks. Yeah, maybe. So, make sure you come out of a relationship. When you come out of a relationship, you link me.
Me I come out there right now. So me
Alright,
ready,
that means you're single.
Alright, I'm single there now. So,
Good. It was nice meeting you.
see you.
Yeah.
So, as we reach out, I suppose if you say number, call me or text me, you know.
Me text her right now.
Alright, there I go.
Yeah. You tell my sister, you know. You must find a man for my style.
come from?
I work.
Work.
Work me I look.
So me not tell us something, I look no work.
Yeah, this time, mama say me
A
skip.
bunny give me work over there, so.
No,
Which part over there say you go look work?
down in a lane, 3 bamboo walk me dig.
Are you there to take me for?
No, I'm fi take it for eat them. Tell say I work, me go look and me then me dey tell some me
Which
dey come.
part over there so somebody can go look work?
Down a banana walk, me cut through. So where you come from?
Continue to ask me where I come from. No more.
Where you come from? You lost So, how you look for? B.
Shut up, ask man. Continue to ask me where I look for.
Oh. You must, how you lost? Tell me help you look for now.
Just continue to ask me, man. No move.
How you lost?
No move.
How you lost?
No move, Mr. Man.
What I gonna do with that? I have to make tea. A tea I gonna make? Eh? Come on now.
Sir, can't take the stress on the feet, man. Oi.
Mommy?
And the work you go?
No.
Obviously.
Mommy, I finally found a man. I finally found a man. Now you don't have to worry about nothing. Food gonna finally come in at the house now.
Where you find, man?
How man yesterday? Where you there?
Where you
Anybody
find?
there?
So where you meet him?
Meet him on the road, mommy, and today I go look for him.
And you're coming already with money?
Yeah.
Or what you do so?
I do nothing.
Hell, I'm warn you. I said you can't have feelings for your man, you know, and go find a little boyfriend, you know. But if you have your own independence, my girl.
Mommy, everything you talk about, own independence.
How you just meet him and you talk about say you come back later with money? And what you do so no, man, I gonna give you nothing first free.
Mommy?
And just give money so.
Listen to me, mommy.
And what you give away so you.
I'm not going up, mommy. Listen to me, mommy. I'm an MB man.
MB, what kind of MB? MB name, what MB is?
Me billionaire. Him have money.
So that make you like him?
No. I'm not that money. Why is that much? Because I'm a broke pocket man.
Picture this now. Imagine you and him say you go up on a date and God forbid anything and happen and no catch up. And him jump in a billionaire car and gone. You have fear? If him jump up and leave you and trick you, you have money to pay for your own food. And that me I talk about.
Mommy, sometimes just come with your stupidness.
You can't go pan road without your own money, Kayla. Come on, man. Yes, if you have your feelings and you like a boyfriend, me no wrong you pan that. He's a big girl with feelings and emotions. No must you going want somebody to scratch your itch. But come on, man. Get your own independence first. Prioritize.
Get your own life and come out of mine.
Use my business, you know?
No, I am not your business. Me don't turn big woman. There's nothing you can do about that. Yes, can you know it's some of the parents now? On a fair to say, on in control of the picking them out when they reach 18 and 19. No. Cause when you did 18 and 19, nobody need to stop using or try to stop my show. And I tell you this now.
Right.
Me have a billionaire man, and you can't do nothing about it. Okay. It's my man. You can't stop me from talk to him. You can't stop me from God road. All you can do is talk off your mouth. Yap. Like your soul a fall back. Your soul a fall back, you me?
Just remember who you are talk to. Get rank again. Yeah, you see me stand here and smile. By now, Kayla, you should know what that smile mean. So I'm not happy. Get rank again. Come on, get rank again. We can't hear you. Yes, get rank again. By now what?
You must realize, hey, you could have one smile like this or sit like this. The other man I'm going to road.
God.
So listen to me now.
He who can't hear, I go feel. Carry on with your redness and your big headness.
Anything me I go feel, I long bamboo.
Yes,
No
yes,
more,
feel
not
bamboo.
less.
Nobody come back and cry to me when bamboo broke though. Damn fool.
I can't believe you really feel like me a cheat.
So, I mean, if me see I come from over somebody, you know, must expect her to say this electric.
But me tell you what I'm gonna look, and before that, me tell you I go on the work, go cool out my brain.
Cool out your brain.
Yeah.
And go in a bush.
And a bush. You know it pass. I could go back on the main road.
I don't trust no woman no. You hold on and see me now.
What you want to say, man? Yeah, disrespect me, disgrace me for a road.
You deserve it, you forget it.
Oh, me deserve it.
Cause you left your good gone, me don't know where you gone, me don't walk and look for you.
Me lost?
You see, said thing when me always want about the dirty style, the attitude the way you have.
That's what you walk and look for me like me lost. Where you come from down your road?
Something gonna deal with important business.
So you are cheap to them. I'm not put no past you.
Yeah, you can start no one.
What do you mean you can't take my style? So you feel like me a cheat, you know so me not cheat. Sometimes I even come out of the house. And since me want to work, I start come out of the house.
All female are cheater. Everybody a cheater. Both male and female, nobody not perfect.
Well, me different. Me very much different. You can't say that.
But I want to see who different for this alliance.
Me.
Or this a hurt you.
Me. You know I get it. Me different. I don't know why you can't believe me. You have to trust me. Watch out.
Girl.
What?
Me there here, what?
Me there. That one have. I thought about me a cheat. You feel like me a cheat?
Yes, stay one go do construction work, would it?
See, same thing I tell her. Again.
So what kind of friend you be?
No, I'm the friend that speaks the truth.
That is not truth.
Then I want
Everyone
to
else says I'm not cheat.
Me no know, mama. Me no. I can't stay. Look from when you start come a road with me. When last me I go somewhere.
You're not invite me out.
That's the thing. You have a man, you must stay in. You can't go out and run and have your man.
You know what
And I like back then when I did free, you know. You're tired of now. Stay loyal to your man.
Brother, I can't believe you really have tell me man say me a cheat.
Me not tell a man say you cheat. Me tell you say you may be a cheat.
You see me with nobody else?
You want to do side talk, have 100 man.
But look how long side work pass and gone.
Then you not talk about that
I
now.
go through he's very shortcut.
And what happens?
And he thinks your man me gonna take through bush.
So we are going to short for.
We reach back on the main road cause me never want to walk along road.
So we are go.
I work me little me I go look.
In a shortcut.
So the other else road never did it?
Me don't want you nothing from. Can you see town you come like crosses?
So, you know, before you take up a better girl like all me, you take up she. You know, sister, she a cheat by you. Which woman you see nowadays that walk through that a shortcut there? That shortcut they were full of so much bushy bush than taller than me. Oh, she pass so much bush. I tell you now, take up a good woman like all me. You see now, she vex and walk gone. When she a vex and walk gone, because she never did that cheap pay, she would leave. You need a woman in your life who can wash her clothes, spread up the bed, sweep out the, look on all the ground, look at the ground, what she do? She not do nothing, she just want hairstyle and something. Don't fret when that girl like me. Tell her already you know you have a secret admirer. Look on all the dresses, the clothes them want fall up neatly and go in the jar. That one woman that you have.
Foxy are chatting me. Wait, we get rid of her.
Yes, you get rid of her, because she not worth nothing and she'll give a bun. Me I tell her that. You need a woman who can take care of you. Look on all them platter, look at them don't want to read, but you need a woman for their ear, woman to give money and go their ear. You look nice, you look pop down.
I'll put her up.
Yes, put her out. Anyways, me I come go down the road, but don't tell her say me tell her nothing.
Yeah, tell her.
What if me never call you, don't look for me?
I mean, I must go look for you.
You don't ever call me phone.
So, no, the last time I checked, me gave you my number. So how me fi call your phone?
Me call you.
Oh, you know what's that true?
You never call back. You see how come back, you never call back. How did that happen?
I feel your number this up.
Yeah, how did that happen?
You know say me did miss a call because me did not do something though.
So yeah, so you know give me a chance in your life.
Me have a woman over me at first them want to put out. You have to wait till me put her out first.
Look how long you have to handle a business. Look how long you have to deal with that.
It come like it hard to do cause right now I try come like me there I try and it come like in her cause she want go and she want stay me. She confused.
You know work right man, Tibi. You need to work hard. You don't just put her around. 40 woman man, you don't want me.
Alright, next time I see me man, you go can get to come over.
What's next time? Which next time you they talk about? So to me. Me they go over your yard right now. Come on. Yeah? Come on. Next time I come with you, yeah? Next time.
Girl, I want you to know.
So we are out here so now. I first me see up on road. Me don't know you come outside.
No, stretch my foot there, man.
Oh, so what happened?
There man, do look exercise.
So who she you tell us with?
Boy, me don't know who.
Oh, I think I didn't know who. Come on, come up road. Oh no. Such girl move out or something.
Can't call it so. I just want back she have left over there.
Kaka. And this you the really depend. Stand up on roadside and look. Other people, man.
So you know see people man.
And so you say,
say
you say that is your
you see,
program. Other people,
all
man.
mix up, you all mix up and grill like your front. Let it go on. I don't know up to me. I'm a father. I'm father.
Could this little Maggie just come to big people?
We are called Maggie.
No problem.
Little Maggie
Look
girl.
at you. You're
He's
all
a big woman to you.
Me a big woman to me.
Which
Just
part
age
you a
and
big-
consent. Me pass
Which part?
18,
Me
you know.
not care what you pass.
Me ask you
From me
something.
old enough to
Yeah,
give
yeah,
birth to you, me a big woman
Yeah,
to
yeah,
you.
wa. You see me pan road. You
You
know me
come
mama.
rub out
You know
from
me
the
sister.
picnic.
You know me auntie. You know me stepmother. You know what pass like how you go on. Anything
now
I
want your bad cold rub off from a picnic.
any bad color and after your picnic is you. You
I
all
come and
and
stand
grill
up.
up where you're
I
there
come
now.
and
You're there
stand
now
up on
tight.
roadside and look, man. You're not ashamed.
No, me not shame. You know why?
Instead of you go look work. Huh? Go look work and become independent. You're there with what you call other people, man. And that's what you say. Other people, man, you depend.
When your mother is send you a farm work, where you go? You go pick apple? No, you pick me pop. You never pick no apple nor no strawberry.
That is
you
your
pick me
business.
pop.
That
So,
is your
listen
business.
to me, listen
That
to me.
is long before your past sperm run up to your mother egg.
Me no
You're
really
saying that your business.
In breed the town
Come
one
out
time,
of
I just
big
different
people
man.
business.
Me a big woman come out of my life.
You see, you young people, you
Watch
can't
it.
hear.
Pum printer
You
yeah, we are
can't
all
hear.
man.
And when
One
you can't
lady.
hear, you go feel.
That
Before
make me
you go
feel.
look work. I wouldn't mind. You do what you want to do, but you're impressed by my child. Before you
Can
go
I make the
look
boy
work.
gone? Me didn't even collect the boy number. Look at all man, go on in, man. Just go on in.
You can't be doing that.
I'm not gonna see him back at mommy can go. But what if she not over there? Yeah.
You can't
You
talk
couldn't
to
make
you.
me
We
collect
can't
the
talk
number.
to you. Because when you, if you're not here, you go feel.
The lady when me feel and you hush me. If me breathe, me give you the child. Hi.
You alright?
Not really. Me just have one quality.
How you look so? What going?
I'm your boyfriend at
Oh God. What happened now?
he feel like say me a cheat. All yesterday, because me tell him, one day me tell him say, me go look at work.
Which is right.
Because him alone can provide at the house. Me want can put something on the table too.
I love that.
So me get up one day and go out and look at work, and one man there like him a building house or something. And me tell him some want to work, and he say yes, me can company work. Right? And when I go home and tell my boyfriend, he cuss me about how a man me want to go past side to go look and all kind of something. He don't trust me. And then in one next year now, he see me on the road You know, peas man shortcut. Yes, me did come through this because remember say we can't tell through this if we go on the main
Yeah,
road.
man.
So me I come through this now and he see me and he talk about if a man me go take in a bush and beat me on the road.
Jesus.
Yeah.
No, girl, you're not to take that.
And then Shanice a follow him. And I talk about me a cheat. So I'm just fed up on him sometimes. And do not trust me.
No, let me tell you something, young lady. You're going on the right path, you hear? Me I talk to my daughter till me blue in the face. I wish you could have meet my daughter and talk to her like this. Cause it's ambition like that me want children to have. Don't make nobody out your light here. Don't make no so cruff, chiggerfoot, pissing tail boy out your light. You is an ambitious young girl and me love that.
Yeah.
And don't make no man put them hand on you neither. Then give birth to you. Am I your pa? Am I your father? Can put hand on you? No, don't ever tolerate that, you hear?
Yeah.
You live your life and you shine your light. So you didn't get the job?
No, never get no job, but me still a look.
Still look.
Yeah,
and still do you.
Give up.
Don't give up, you're right.
Yeah.
And use that as a warning sign.
Yeah.
Why, I mean, you know what do these young people nowadays? Only if my daughter could have come like you.
Yeah.
You keep your ambition here and shine your light bright. Don't make no man, woman, beast out your light.
Alright. Anyways, thanks for the encouragement.
All
We are
right.
going to continue my journey. So take
All
care.
right, shine your light bright, my girl.
Yeah.
Should be more people like you.
Ryan. B. Wendy. Sorry, I ain't got no. Yes, and make me a talk more.
Where they go?
Where you come from?
I don't even know where I come from.
Where you come from?
Where you they come from?
You don't come here, come see me. Let me come from nowhere.
Me there. We never there. We just gone from the road and come back like the evil just reached up.
Me just fed up at this foolishness. Where you gone on the road down now?
Every time go up, so me know me one man, me can't go up on the road. Me have business I deal with.
What kind of business that could have possibly have to deal with every day? You know, say me fed up and sick and tired of this bullshit. Me I go look at work. Whether you like it or you don't like it, me I go look at work. Say could have bad blood, I'm gonna look at work.
Well, you live on your own now, you know. Let me tell you that, you know.
What do you mean by me live on my own?
You live on your own.
Me not live on no one.
You as fans
And you me I try to protect. You, cause if you got prison right now, me don't know what am I going to do. So you need to know what you do. So whether you like it or not, I'm gonna look at work.
You see any day name there, you say you get up and go look work. You better not come back here, you know.
I'm not to come back here. No, I go see who run this.
Come like you figure say my house this.
You figure say the two of we houses?
Who are we?
Yeah. Oh, me house shares not this, you know. Get that in your head, clack
Go
it.
and see how grave you be. Go and go look up.
Alright.
Miss Riri, go and go look up.
See, my mother did warn me.
And you never take your warning.
No, we never take it. We
Stupid.
never take it at all.
Stupid.
It's alright. We can't go be. Okay guys, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you guys for watching. I'm also on minus my face because I never make it to the end of the video. But guys, thank you guys for your love and your support. And we having part 2 coming next.